Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. You saw the clip that I put on the video right at the beginning. I actually did this video already. However, the cream that I used to do the 2-strand twist caused some flaking in the hair, and I wasn't satisfied with it, and I didn't think it was fair to the company to show it in that light. So just like with my own hair, if I see some flaking and I don't like it, I'm going to re-wash my hair and I'm going to twist it again. I'm not going to go out like that. So I went ahead and I re-twisted the hair. I washed it again, and that's what you're about to see now. So that just goes to show you, be a little bit more light-handed. You don't want to pack the hair with cream. Even if your own hair can handle that, the wig may not be able to. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to music, and I'm going to put this wig on. So just putting on my stocking cap, and I just crisscross my braids behind my head here. Okay, so we're going to put it to music, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the completed unit. And my hubby came home and said, you know what, I think you should change the part to the other side. Even though I'm used to wearing my part on this side, he said he liked it better on this side. So that's the only change that I made. But look at these curls. Absolutely gorgeous. This is breathtaking. It's very, very pretty. I wish that I could get my own hair to behave like this sometimes. Sometimes it does, and then sometimes my hair just says, girl, please, not today. So I'm very, very pleased with this. I can definitely wear my hair in like a satin cap, and I'm quite sure I could wake up and just fluff it out, and this is what I would get. I do that to my own hair sometimes, so I feel like these curls are going to last me for a few days at least, especially with the weather being nice and crisp and brisk outside. I can definitely rock this for a few days, so I am excited. So this is the Crowned in My Curls unit. I will leave all of the information below, excuse me, and I will leave all of the information for the first video below so you guys can see the unboxing of the unit and everything. And I really appreciate HerGivenHair for allowing me to review for them once again. I'm hoping that you guys will give it a try. There are lots of sales going on that site, so keep checking them out. You never know when certain units go down in price, so just keep checking, okay? I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.